Hi, this is SLKJDFV from the Unity community, and this is the tech video where I will be displaying the features of my system and show you guys how easy it is to use. The system will be released tomorrow, August 12th, 2011. This may be multiple videos, because there's a lot to go over. Let's begin. Okay, right now, copy my new scene, that. I'll be talking throughout this. Let's just create the player here, drag them up. Player needs to have a tag of player, and then two scripts that will have to be overwritten are these two, FPS input controller and mouse lock, because I added some extra code there to work with my inventory system. Otherwise, locking the window or locking the mouse lock or allowing the ability to move won't work. Okay, after that you just go create empty. It's going to be our system controller. You'll have to create this tag here called system controller, and just give it that, and you're done there. Now we just need to go inventory system, system controller. Let's make our initial offsets 6 by 22. Icon width height of 48. One required texture is this one. You need to have a texture here, otherwise the system will not work. It'll have errors because it's looking for a mouse cursor, and if it doesn't have a mouse cursor, errors. Alright, that's set up. Let's go to options. We want draggable windows, we want draggable icons, we want to lock the camera and movement. We're going to call this one Moolah. We're going to input settings. E. Want the inventory to open with I. Start with K. Alright, your system's all set up. Now we just need to set this up. Let's make the inventory system 6 by 3. And the reason why I have limits on this is so you don't make a huge inventory system and you can't look on the screen or anything. Let's make that. Let's make it 8. Inventory settings. We want the inventory displayed with a keyboard key, which is these right here. We don't need to edit his inventory yet. And that's all done. Oops. A mouse. Raw equipment display. We want to use all slots. Let's use human information. Window with texture, both. Choose universal. And then leave. Player's all set up. Yep, I can move, jump. Inventory works. 6 by 3, and then there's my money. And there's the inventory, the equipment. But let's change the offset to 12. Icon offset, so you'll notice that they're now pushed into this window more. And then let's do window padding of 24 by 24. I know what you're thinking, why would you make one this ridiculously big? Well, I don't know, you tell me. Some people like really big GUIs, and you need to just push it in. And then let's do icon spacing of 4. Voila. Icons automatically readjust their size and everything. No extra coding on your part. That's all done. Now we just need to go game object, create other, cube, and we're going to make it 2. Let's go to the top view and reposition this correctly. Put it right there, and then there we go. I just want to bring it down to the ground. let's just go component, add inventory controller, come here and select container, because it's not a standard, it's not a plier. Let's make this icon let's actually center this and just actually that's it left. Hit 9. Container settings. We're gonna call this container Bob. Now we just open this. Where's Bob? I can't see Bob. We need a light. Let's just add a point light. Perfect. There's Bob. Come over to Bob. It automatically knows what the action key is and displays it on screen. And then it goes away. Hi, Bob. And there's Bob's inventory. Again, Windows automatically resized to the correct size. Neat, huh? Now let's say you want to create an object. Well, let's go game object. Create other. Let's create a sphere. We're just going to make this half of its original size. Whoa, why is it not doing points? Oh, I'm hitting 0. Alrighty. There we go. And we're just going to call this... Actually, we're going to leave it blank. We're going to go component. Inventory system, add item controller. Let's go up here. Drag the apple there. We're going to call it apple. Items value of 0. Let's make that a value 3. And acquire range 3. And we only want to give him 1. Let's give him health buff 10. Okay, now we just need to go game. Go into here, right click, create prefab. We're going to call this prefab apple. And now you just simply drag your little sphere here. Just delete. There you go. You now have an apple. Now, if you want your player to be able to drop that apple, you need to come over here and go into your system controller. Add the apple there. Voila. And now we just drag our apples into the scene. Now currently the item's maximum stack size is 1, so I want to go into here and change that to 3. We're almost running out of time, by the way. So let's make that 3, and I believe it's gonna correspond. No, for some reason it does not do that, so I'm just gonna click revert and revert, and there we go. And now let's just go under chest, inventory settings, and let's let the chest start with an apple. Look at that, automatically knows its max stack size. Let's just put 1 in there, and then now we can just hit play. No errors, which is great. One thing the spheres do not have, I don't know why, but there we go. Now let's just click this, and look at that. I hit I, and they automatically stack. And I pick up 1, I can drag it anywhere. But let's say I want to pick up all of them. Voila. All you gotta do is hold the shift key to pick up all objects in the current stack. So now I want to come over here and get Bob, and add that there. And then let's add it to Bob. See how easy that is? Now we're almost out of time here, so I think I'm going to stop it here. And in the next tech video, I will be displaying in this exact same scene, I will be displaying the merchant and the crafting system. Goodbye.